With the rise of USB-C, we now more than ever need adapters in our lives. If you're not into adapters, that means you'll need to go out and buy new equipment. But what if you want to use a new USB-C item with an old USB-C port? You're out of luck unless you have this flash drive. This is a 3-in-1 flash drive from FLAGPOWER. On one end we have a USB-C connector, and on the other is a Type A port. What's really cool about this is that if you pull back the Type A connector, underneath is a micro USB connector. That means that with this single flash drive, we can access data via USB-C, USB-A, and micro USB without any additional adapters. The build of the flash drive is fine. It's made of plastic, however the moving connector on the Type A connector feels pretty strong. I got a 32GB model, and while it says that there is also a 16 and a 64GB model in the instruction manual, I don't see that online anywhere. It's not a big deal because the price is pretty low as it is. Using any of the connections will give you access to the same drive. It's not like one connector only shows you a portion of the drive. All connectors will take you to the same place. That seems like a pretty nice flash drive at a low price, right? Well, here's the only issue. It has USB 2 speeds. If we go into System Report and check out the flash drive, we're only writing at 480 megabits per second, which is only USB 2.0 speeds, not 3. Don't get confused and think that it's only the Type A connector that's USB 2, even though USB Type-C wasn't introduced until the 3rd generation, because System Report also shows USB 2.0 speeds there as well. For me, that's a really big downside with the flash drive. Especially since we're dealing with 32GB of storage, I'll be wanting to put some pretty large files on there, and transfer times are incredibly slow. I use this flash drive as a boot device to install an operating system, and it took 4 times longer to copy the install files to this flash drive than it did a similar USB 3.0 model I had laying around. So should you pick this up? Well, the idea behind it is really awesome. I love that you can use this one flash drive and access files on every device that you have. I've been looking around for a solution to this problem for a while, and the price seemed perfect. Unfortunately for me and my heavy video editing workflow, the speeds are just too slow for me to really recommend it to someone who's going to be transferring a lot of large files. If you're just going to be placing a couple of pictures and text documents, then you're fine. But if you're going to be using it to copy apps and videos, then you may want to look elsewhere. Well, that's all for its review. Links will be down below if you want to pick it up or learn more. If you have any questions about the flash drive, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I'll see you in the next one.